Welcome to a tour of the Joy Art Club Hub. This is the community area. This is where we can chat, share our opinions, artwork, feedback, all those good things. So let me show you around. This is how it looks. And let's start here on the left side. So this is the Joy Art Club Hub. This is what you should see when you enter it. And you're supposed to get access to this upon subscription. When you join the Joy Art Club, you're automatically added to this group. And of course, I encourage you to participate. This is a great part of the membership. So we have here the groups tab. If you are not in the Rainbow Method community, then you will only have this appearing. And then on the channels, this is where things start to get interesting. So we have the home page, which is just where all of the comments and chats from all of the channels live. So channel just basically means like a board. So I open these different boards just to keep things organized and easy also for you to find. So that's the word channel just means a different chat board. So the home one shows you everything. The announcement channel is where I will put any important announcement. So for example, when a new month drops, we have a channel to chat about art books. We have a board or channel to talk about art courses. I always encourage everyone to learn from as many artists, and one of the main reasons that I wanted to keep this membership so affordable is that you will have, you know, the extra budget if you're on a budget to learn from other places as well. And I think it's great that we can help each other. If you want to take a specific course or you want an opinion, then we can help each other figure out which courses are the best for you. The art supplies chat, that is kind of self-explanatory, where we can talk about all things art supplies. Challenge Central is where I will be posting all of the weekly challenges. The first one is already up here. General chat is everything that doesn't fit to these. And suggestion box, this is especially important because this is the first year of this membership and I really want us to build it together. So please write here your suggestions, what you want to see, and also give me please only constructive and kind feedback of what was your favorite for this month. Every month I will start a new thread just so that I can get a better idea of what you find really helpful and enjoyable. Both are important. So I want to know, and this will really help me, like this board, the suggestion box will really help me kind of create the next months and fill them with things that you want to see. And then I should probably open another one to share your artwork. So I'll probably do that, but that is here on the channels. And then here, if you go to the top, you have the discussion. So this is where you see, let's go back to the home screen. So this is where you see everything that's happening. And then in the learning, I added here the membership. So this is, it says free because this community is only if you are a member of the Joy Art Club. It's not free for the public. So if you want to get back to the membership area, you just click this and it will take you there. So this is kind of an easy way to navigate between these two. Let's go back. Members is where you will see who else is in this community. And then leaderboard is just like a fun kind of gamification. What's it called? Like, the word escapes me. Feature of this community, and this is the more you participate, you can climb to the next level. We all start in a great place that is called Dreamweaver, and level 9, the last one, is Master Muse. So this is just like fun, and here you can see who has been the most active in the community. So let's get back to the discussion board. Here on the right side below this colorful thumbnail, you can just find the description of the group, but then another important place is, again, if you want to get back to the membership, back to the classroom, or you want to look at something there, you can click this here and it will open the membership area. So again, click this and it will take you to the membership area. The leaderboard should also appear here. And I think that is everything you need to know, and I will see you here in the community.